Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating study published in Science Advances regarding the impact of microplastics on the brain. It's pretty alarming, actually.
Alarming is an understatement. I saw the headline, "Microplastics block blood flow in the brain, mouse study reveals." Whoa! What exactly did the study find?
Right, so researchers used a really cool technique, miniature two-photon microscopy, to watch, in real time, what happens to microplastics in mice. They essentially gave the mice water, containing fluorescent polystyrene spheres, a common type of plastic.
So they could actually see the microplastics moving through the mice? That's incredible.
Precisely. And what they saw was that immune cells, neutrophils, and phagocytes gobbled up these plastic particles. These cells then traveled through the bloodstream and got stuck in the brain's blood vessels, particularly in the cortex. It was described as like a car crash in the blood vessels.
A car crash? Huh, that's a striking image. Did this blockage affect the mice?
Yeah, it seemed to impact their movement. The researchers also found that injecting the microplastics intravenously led to even faster blockages, with smaller particles causing fewer obstructions. It's a complex picture, though. Some blockages cleared, but others persisted throughout the 4-week observation period.
So it's not just a one-time thing. The effects can be long-lasting? And this was in mice. What about humans?
That's the big question, isn't it? The study doesn't directly translate to humans, but it's a serious cause for concern. We know microplastics are everywhere, in the air, water, food, and previous research has already shown their presence in human organs like the brain, liver, and kidneys. There's even a study linking microplastics in arteries to a higher risk of heart attacks and strokes.
This is terrifying. I mean, we're talking about tiny particles of plastic potentially causing significant damage to our brains. What can be done?
Well, that's the million-dollar question. More research is definitely needed to understand the long-term effects and to develop strategies for mitigation. Reducing plastic production and waste is crucial, of course. But this study highlights the urgent need for further investigation into the health implications of microplastic exposure.
Absolutely. This research really underscores the pervasive nature of plastic pollution and its potential consequences. It's a wake-up call, for sure. Thanks for breaking this down for us.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful and, perhaps, a little unsettling. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye-bye.